Next comes chapter 16, Pride of India. India's national flag has three colors: saffron at the top, white in the middle and green at the bottom. In the center, there is a navy blue wheel with 24 spokes. It is known as Ashoka Chakra. This is the India's national emblem. It is taken from the lion, capital of Emperor Ashoka at Sarnath. It has 4 lions on the top standing back to back. There are figures of the elephant, a horse, a bull and a lion at the base. They are separated by wheels in between. Do you know our national song is Vande Mataram and our national anthem is Janagana Mana. The tiger is the national animal of India. Mango is the national fruit of India. The lotus is the national flower of India. The peacock, the Indian peacock is the national bird of India. The banyan tree is the national tree of India. There are some special festivals which everyone in our country celebrates together. These are called national festivals. Look at the picture of some of India's national festivals. Read the clues and write their names. 26th January, Republic Day. 15th August, Independence Day. 2nd October, it is Gandhi Jayanti. Capital cities. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. The city is also called the Temple City of India. It is the largest city in Odisha. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. It is also known as Pink City of India. Jaipur has many beautiful palaces, temples and gardens. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. This beautiful hill station is a famous tourist spot. Shillong is well known for waterfalls, parks and lakes. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. This garden city is also known as Silicon Valley of India. It has many famous parks, museums and palaces. Panaji is the capital of smallest Indian state, Goa. This beautiful place is famous for its beaches, churches, small island and the Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. Next, word game. Shweta has to complete her classwork. Help her finish it before her teacher asks for the activity sheet. Use picture clues and write the answers against each statement. You drink milk in it. It is a cup. It is called the ship of the desert. It is camel. It has a pouch to keep its baby, kangaroo. It jumps from one branch of a tree to another. This is a monkey. He brings gifts for us on Christmas, Santa Claus. It lives in water. This is a fish. You live in it. This is a home. Stories for children. Aesop's Fables. This is a collection of tales from the Greek storyteller Aesop. 1001 Nights. This is a collection of folk tales. It is often known in English as Arabian Nights. The Panchatantra. This is an Indian collection of animal stories. These old stories are believed to be collected by Vishnu Sharma. The Jataka Tales. This is collection of stories about the previous births of Gautama Buddha. The Katha Sarit Sagara. This is a collection of Indian fairy tales and folks retold by Somadeva. Make new words. Name the pictures in each set. The first letters of the names will give you a new word. Write it in the blank. The first one, it's bird. The second one, it's cloud. The third one, it's bear. The fourth one, it's hand. The fifth one, it's table. Weather words. Look at the picture and write the correct weather words. The clues will help you. The clues are given here. The first figure, stormy, cloudy, cold, snowy, sunny, rainy, windy. Next, precious water. We use water every day in our life. It is very important for us. We cannot live without water. We must never waste it. Look at the pictures and write how we use water. The clues given below will help you. These are the clues given. The first one, at swimming. This is watering plants. This is playing, bathing, boating, washing, cooking. 24th chapter, in the sky. Read these rhymes and write the names of the things we see in the sky. I change my shape, I look white. You see me in the night with stars so bright. It is a moon. I am a hot ball of fire. I give heat and light. I shine in the day to let kids go out and play. This is sun. You see us at night. We make the sky bright. We twinkle in the night. What a pretty sight. This is stars. My 7 colors are seen after a shower of rain. I am merry and bright. You don't see me at night. This is a rainbow. Puffy, fluffy, sometimes white, sometimes grey. We bring rain. This is clouds. How beautiful is the sky. Objects shining around so high. Just look up and try to see what is in the sky.